Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm your name, and today we're diving into a topic that many website owners and bloggers ponder over. Do you really need an analytics plugin? Let's break it down and find out. Analytics plugins are everywhere, and there's a good chance you've come across names like Google Analytics, Monster Insights, and Jetpack. But do you actually need one for your website? Before we answer that, let's talk about what an analytics plugin does and why it might be beneficial for you. An analytics plugin is a tool that integrates with your website to collect data on how visitors interact with your content. This includes metrics like page views, user demographics, bounce rates, and more. So, why do people use these plugins? The main reason is data. Data is crucial for making informed decisions about your content, marketing strategies, and overall website performance. Let's look at a few key benefits. Visitor insights: understand who is visiting your site, where they're coming from, and what devices they're using. Content performance: see which pages and posts are the most popular. User behavior: track how visitors navigate through your site. Goal tracking: measure conversions, such as form submissions or product purchases. But, despite all these benefits, the real question is whether you need one. Here are some factors to consider. Your website goals: are you running a personal blog, a business site, or an e-commerce store? Your goals will significantly influence your need for detailed analytics. Technical skill level: some plugins require more technical know-how to set up and interpret data. Budget: while many plugins are free, advanced features often come at a cost. Let's discuss each of these in a bit more detail. First up, your website goals. If you're running a personal blog just for fun, you might not need extensive analytics. Simple stats like the number of visitors might suffice. However, if you're managing a business website or an online store, analytics can provide critical insights that drive your strategy and growth. For example, an e-commerce site benefits hugely from understanding which products are most popular, where cart abandonment happens, and what traffic sources are converting into sales. Next, technical skill level. Some plugins are straightforward and user-friendly, like Monster Insights, which simplifies Google Analytics for WordPress users. Others might require more setup and a deeper understanding of data interpretation. If you're not comfortable with tech, opt for plugins with a gentle learning curve. Easy to use: Monster Insights, Jetpack, Advanced, Google Analytics, full integration, Matomo. Finally, budget. There are fantastic free options like the basic version of Google Analytics. But for more detailed insights and features, you might need to invest in premium plugins. Make sure the benefits align with your budget and needs before making a decision. So, we've covered why you might want an analytics plugin and some considerations for choosing one. But let's talk about scenarios where you might not need one. Static websites: if your site is static and not regularly updated, detailed analytics might be overkill. Minimal interaction: if visitor interaction is low and you're not looking to grow your audience or understand behavior deeply. Simplicity preference: you prefer keeping things simple and aren't interested in diving into data. For instance, if you have a simple portfolio site or a basic landing page, the data you get from your web host's basic stats might be enough. Detailed analytics might just add unnecessary complexity. But, if you decide you do need an analytics plugin, here are a few tips to get the most out of it. Set clear goals: know what you want to track, be it traffic, conversions, or user engagement. Regularly review data: make it a habit to check your analytics and interpret the data. Use insights to improve: let the data guide your content and marketing strategies. Stay updated: Keep your plugin updated for the latest features and security improvements. In conclusion, whether or not you need an analytics plugin boils down to your specific needs and goals. They can be incredibly powerful tools for understanding your audience and improving your site, but they're not always necessary for everyone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Also, let me know in the comments, do you use an analytics plugin? If so, which one and why? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.